Hi everybody, it's Andy and welcome to my office in Modesto, California. I'm an attorney licensed to practice law in California as well as New York. This video is going to go over a California specific question that I encounter quite frequently. And the question basically is this: Andy, I've heard that California has this bizarre rule that says that I can't get divorced right away. I really need to get divorced because I met somebody new, or I have a tax reason, or an insurance reason, or there's some other pressing reason where I need to get divorced ASAP. Can't I do that? Do I really have to wait? And unfortunately, the answer to that question is yes, you do. So California does have a specific law. It's Family Code Section 2339. And we'll go ahead and link that down below for those of you who are interested. But 2339 basically says that the earliest date upon which a divorce judgment can be entered, in layman's terms, in which the parties can be deemed single again and eligible to remarry, for example, the earliest date upon which that can happen is 6 months and 1 day from the date in which the other spouse is served divorce papers. So, for example, let's say that you file for divorce on January the 1st, and you serve your spouse, your soon-to-be ex-spouse, on January 2nd. The earliest date in which you can be deemed to be single and eligible to remarry again is 6 months and 1 day from January the 2nd. So if you do the math, I think that's July the 3rd or thereabouts. So if you file for divorce in California in January and expect it to be done for you to be single again right away or within a month or something like that, that's not going to happen. There's actually a specific statute on that. Again, 2339, I'm going to go ahead and link that down below. So if you are making plans, for example, to get remarried again, you really need to factor in the 6 month and 1 day kind of waiting period. That is the quickest in which a divorce judgment can be entered. Most of the time, in my experience, if there's any sort of complication, if there's a battle over, say, who gets the house, who gets the kids, how much alimony to award, that 6 month and 1 day period can drag on for significantly longer. So the 6 month and 1 day, if you want to think about it like this, is actually a minimum. The maximum is infinite. There are divorce cases that go on for years and years and years. So anyway, I hope that helped. Again, my name's Andy, and if you want to go ahead and leave me a comment below, subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. And I will see you guys next time. Thanks.